Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their desires with ease while others keep struggling? The secret is simple. The universe listens, but not to your words. It listens to your energy. Everything you see in life, your relationships, your money, your opportunities, mirrors the state of your inner world. Just like planets follow the pull of gravity, your experiences follow the pull of your attention. Where your energy goes, your reality grows. What you ignore slowly fades away. So let's uncover 5 powerful steps to truly speak with the universe and reshape your reality. Step 1. Master your attention. Think of your attention as currency. Every time you focus on something, you're paying for more of it. If you constantly think about problems, the universe assumes you want more of them. If you focus on joy, love, and possibilities, you're inviting those energies into your life. So choose wisely. Your attention is your universal microphone. Step 2. Live in the now. The universe only understands the present moment. When you say, "I will be happy one day," you're pushing happiness away. Instead, embody the feeling of happiness right now. Act, feel, and think as if your dream has already arrived. The universe doesn't work with future promises. It responds to your current vibration. Step 3. Expand your awareness. Life is not a straight line. It's a multi-dimensional game. The more aware you become of your thoughts, your patterns, and the signs around you, the more skillfully you can play. Expanding consciousness is like turning on more lights in a dark room. You suddenly see paths you never noticed before. With awareness, you stop reacting blindly and start creating intentionally. Step 4. Follow your inner compass. Your feelings are the universe's language. When something lights you up, it's a green signal. When something feels heavy or draining, it's a red light. Don't overthink, trust the resonance. The ego may tempt you with quick pleasures, but your intuition always knows the deeper truth. Walk the path that feels aligned, and life becomes smoother, almost guided. Step 5. Reprogram with repetition. Your subconscious mind is the universe's loudspeaker. It doesn't judge, it doesn't question, it simply amplifies what you feed it. That's why repetition is powerful. When you affirm, "I am abundant, I am worthy, I am powerful," and truly feel it, those beliefs sink deep into your subconscious. Over time, they rewire your vibration, and the universe reflects them back to you as real experiences. Final message. Remember this: you and the universe are not separate. Speaking with the universe is simply speaking with your higher self. When you align your attention, live in the present, expand your awareness, trust your feelings, and reprogram your subconscious, you become the author of your life. Your reality is a canvas, and you are the artist.